Her name was Hiba. She was in love with a man who truly respected her. They talked about marriage, built dreams together, and even involved their families. She thought this was it. My dua is coming true. But then his mother said no. Why? Because Hiba was from a middle class background. Not rich enough, not classy enough, not equal enough. Just like that, everything shattered. He said, I am sorry, I can't go against my mother. Hiba felt betrayed. She couldn't sleep, couldn't eat. She cried in sujood but didn't know what to say. Why, Ya Allah, what's wrong with me? My heart was pure, then why this? Weeks passed, the pain stayed. Everyone said, move on, but no one felt what she was feeling. Until one day, Hiba randomly opened the Quran and her eyes fell on this verse. It may be that you dislike something while it is good for you, and you love something while it is bad for you. Allah knows and you don't know. She stopped, read it again, then whispered through her tears, Ya Allah, you know, I don't. Hiba made a decision that night. No more chasing love, no more questions. She would chase Allah instead. She started praying every salah. She read Quran every morning, even if it was just one page. She began writing a journal, not to him, but to Allah. And something began to change. Her tears became softer, her heart became lighter. She was healing. Months later, she heard the same man was engaged. Her heart skipped, but she didn't cry. Instead, she smiled. Maybe I was not rejected, maybe I was protected. She didn't get the love she asked for, but she found a love she never expected, the love of her Rabb.